Hi, just a quick video about our electric car chargers. We have two, so let's have a look. First one here. Let's just see if I can angle that. Here we go. So if you have a Type 2 vehicle, you just plug in and charge. We normally keep these switched off, but if you're coming to us, you're very welcome to use them. We just charge what we get charged for the electricity, and we meter it from the garage here. There's another one over here. That's specifically for Teslas allegedly, but I'm sure I've never tried. Maybe we can fit another Type 2 in there. It's the same connector. Quite interestingly, we've had any number of people identify us on a map and come along and go, I'll charge my car. And they just turn up, plug in, and I'm like, are you a guest? No. Okay. So we keep them turned off because there's no toilet facilities here. There's no cafe. There's nothing to occupy your time. And these are fast domestic chargers, but if you're running short on charge and you want to really top up, it works for guests who are staying here overnight. It doesn't work for anybody who's just driving past, because they're going to be sat in their car for hours trying to put miles on. So yeah, here in the car park it says electric vehicle charging right here, and when you drive in, you just come and drive straight up to here, plug in, let me know that you've got an electric car, and I'll just turn them on.